Hey, it's Mitch with Prism Supply. We got a new part for you here today in our new shop. This is the first new part from the new shop. It is a LED license plate light. A lot of y'all have been asking for it, so of course we had to make it look cool as well. So it's a cast aluminum. You can get it either matte or polished finish. We're going to show you how to put it on a bike. A license plate cover, fairly easy, but you gotta wire it in. One wire operation, which makes it really easy to install. And we're gonna install it over here on old Chrome Daddy, because she's nice and crusty and needs some shiny love. When you get out of the box, it's gonna have this nice Prism license plate in it. You're gonna take that off. It comes with all the stainless hardware as well. And then I'm gonna show you how to switch out to put one of our cloth covered wires in it as well. Okay, so with the license plate out, you're gonna flip it over, and that'll be our LED carrier in there. And you're gonna take it out with a Phillips head screwdriver. So with the LED carrier out, what you're gonna do is take some blunt tool. I like to use a really small Allen key. And then you're gonna press in the little dot. See that? And just pull, and the wire is gonna come out like that. And then you take the cloth covered wire, strip it, give it a little twist. Okay, slide it in until it locks. That's nice and locked in there. Now we're gonna go ahead and just install a license plate like a license plate cover. You've all done it before. So when you're installing the cover, you can route your wire out any spot you want because there's a channel. And we're gonna put it right in this little groove here. So I'm gonna run the wire through the groove and then mount the license plate. I kinda wanna keep the wire to go with the taillight wire, and I'll just follow it all the way back once it's installed. And the light is self-grounding, so that you don't need to run a ground wire. Okay, now that the plate's installed, that's all the work. I'm gonna run this wire back to accessory on the ignition, and then we'll show you how it works, how it looks. Installed, wired up, and let's see what it looks like. There you go. Lights up your license plate. That nice warm glow that you like from incandescent lights, but it's a nice LED. Go get yours now, prismsupply.com. Okay, look at me. Gotta get into the stretch mode, you know? Get into that. Are you recording all this? Yeah. Sick, okay.